Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your VIVO X300 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle Wi-Fi off and on in these settings. So we are going to open up the settings from here, for an example, from the control center, or you can easily open it up from the apps. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to select the first option from the top, which is Wi-Fi, and we're going to turn it off. And then we're going to turn it on. This is a quick restart. If it did not help you, then don't worry, we still got a lot more to do. We're going to forget and reconnect to the same network. So let's click on the arrow. Now let's click on delete network and click on delete. Now we still have the network right here, but just we need to enter the password. So we need to enter the password. After we do that, we are back and we are connected. What are we going to do next is, if the reconnect did not help you, you can restart the router and a phone. So to restart the router, I do not have it near me, so I cannot show you, but almost every router has a switch at the back of it. So you just turn it off and turn it on. But for the phone, all you do is press the power button, volume up button at the same time. Now swipe to restart. And as you guys can see, the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, let's quickly unlock the phone, and now what are we going to do is we're going to check for software updates. So this is also very important. We want to go to settings, and in these settings we're going to swipe down until we see system update. I am on the latest version, but if you guys are not, then you may have a glitch that is for Wi-Fi. So you want to update your software to the latest version. This is very important because you want to get rid of any glitches on your device, especially those with Wi-Fi and, for example, Bluetooth. That's why we are updating our software. You should see the button on the bottom if you're not on the latest version. And now, as a last resort, we're going to reset network settings right here in system management. Now reset and reset network settings, the first option from the top. This will delete all Wi-Fi networks that we were ever connected to. This will delete every single mobile data network and basically reset all of our Bluetooth devices. So we will have to pair to them again. So we're going to click on reset, and now it is resetting. As you guys can see, we lost our Wi-Fi, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.